In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Likert scale question in Microsoft Forms. Free lesson, Microsoft Forms course. A Likert question is perfect when you want people to rate their agreement or satisfaction across multiple statements using the same scale. It keeps your survey consistent, easy to complete, and simple to analyze. Start by opening Microsoft Forms in your web browser and signing in with your account. You'll land on your Forms homepage, where you can create and manage surveys and quizzes. If you're new to the interface, don't worry, everything we need is right on the main screen. Choose whether you want a new form or a new quiz. Pick new form for general surveys and feedback. Choose new quiz if you plan to assign points or score answers. Both options include the Likert question type, so select the one that fits your scenario. Inside your blank form, click Add New. Then open the small drop-down arrow next to the question types to reveal more options and select Likert. This creates a matrix-style question where each row is a statement and each column is a point on your rating scale. At the top, enter the main question or theme. This sets expectations for your respondents. For example, you might write, "Please rate your level of agreement with the following statements," or "How satisfied are you with the items below?" Keep this instruction concise and direct so people understand exactly what they're rating. Next, add the specific items you want users to rate. Each item should be a single, clear statement. Avoid combining two ideas in one line. Keep the wording parallel, like starting each item with "the" or using consistent verb tenses. Short, concrete statements reduce confusion and improve your data quality. Define your scale labels. Common choices are strongly agree to strongly disagree, or very satisfied to very dissatisfied. Keep the order consistent, typically positive on the left to negative on the right. If you include a neutral midpoint, label it clearly. Make sure each label is distinct so respondents can confidently choose the best option. Customize as needed. Click Add Statement to include more items in your list. Use the three-dot menu to add a subtitle if you need to provide extra context, like a time frame or a specific product name. Subtitles help without cluttering the main prompt. Finally, toggle required at the bottom if you want respondents to answer every statement before submitting. This applies to the entire Likert block, ensuring you don't end up with partial rows. And that's it. You've built a clean, consistent Likert question in Microsoft Forms that's ready for reliable feedback and easy analysis.